Hi, it's Peter Drew and welcome to this third video in our software series. This one is automating the creation of highly ranking WordPress blogs. In this new video about our latest SEO software in this series, number one, I'm going to prove to you why the WordPress domain is crushing it in Google and why it makes sense that we're getting the results we're getting in Google. And then you'll see how you can easily replicate this yourself for just $1. And then number two, I'll show you the basic elements you need to have a chance of ranking strong in Google before you even start an SEO project. And then number three, I'll show you the spectacular results we are already achieving by leveraging the power of WordPress.com in Google. And finally, number four, I'll show you how we pulled off this momentous achievement, 100% automating the creation of highly SEO optimized and unique WordPress blogs and posts based on your chosen niche. So we're going to talk about the strength of WordPress in Google. As we all know, age plays a determining factor in ranking in Google. So let's check out the WordPress.com domain. The WordPress domain was created in 2000, making it 17 years old. WordPress is the 48th most popular website on the internet in terms of visitors. This of course makes it an authority website in the eyes of Google's ranking algorithm, as you can see there from the Alexa chart. You can tell how powerful the website is in Google primarily by how many quality backlinks it has pointing to it and where these links come from. So here you can see the number of backlinks is 432 million. It has 274,000 referring domains. It has a total of 60 million no-follow backlinks. It has links from 40,000 governmental websites. It has 677,000 links from educational websites. So that is exactly what you call an authority website. It's got 134 million pages indexed in Google and 34 million pages indexed in Bing. This reveals how many websites refer to WordPress. So generally speaking, there are over 700 million pages referring to WordPress in Google and 519 million in Bing. So just gives you a really clear view of how powerful that domain is on the internet. Google gives preference in their index to sites that are secure, and obviously WordPress.com and the subdomains we create on there are secure, as you can see there. Google gives preference to sites that load fast and give their users a better experience. Obviously, faster loading sites obviously do this. So from the Google test page itself, WordPress.com has got a 98 out of 100 in terms of speed. And Google gives preference to websites that display both well on desktop and mobile, of course. These results are from Google's own test site, so mobile page speed is 98 out of 100, so it's excellent. This is why we love WordPress for ranking in Google. So say you've got an upcoming SEO project on a new domain. Right out of the box, to compete even in non-competitive terms, you need to prepare your website with this minimum criteria. 1. Your site must be secure, so you need to purchase and install HTTPS. 2. You're behind in age from the start. Your competitors' domains will be older. 3. Your website must load fast, the faster the better. If your site is faster than your competition, you get that little edge over them. 4. Your site must load equally well on mobile. 5. Inbound links. Your website must gain a variety of inbound links from other quality websites in your niche and outside it. This is where WordPress comes in very nicely. You can create lots of quality inbound links to your WordPress site, but you don't want too many new links too fast. or you may attract a spam penalty in the Google search algorithm. But you can invest a lot of links to your WordPress site that is linking to your own website, giving more power to those links from WordPress to your site. You can send an unlimited amount of links to your WordPress site that's linking to your own website to really boost your own website in the search engines without any risk of penalties. So it makes sense to build out a WordPress site in parallel while you're creating your own new website. While you're doing the work on your new website, you can leverage the power of WordPress in Google immediately, generating traffic and sales or leads to your new websites almost instantly. Welcome to the latest in our local SEO series of software, our brand new WordPress Creator software. This software automatically creates SEO optimized WordPress blogs using your targeted keyword phrases, image content, YouTube videos, article content, which the software spins for you for each and every post it creates. You enter the location of the local business you are promoting, and the software presents a beautiful Google Map listing right within your blog post content. Our new technology allows you to create unlimited, highly SEO optimized blogs and blog posts. Using the SEO strategies provided with the software, you can start to enjoy free traffic from Google to your new WordPress sites, or direct this traffic to your own new or existing websites. Let's take a look at just some of the ranking results you can expect. Note, we're targeting local phrases, but a lot of them. Leveraging the power of automation means you can easily create hundreds of blogs or blog posts easily, investing only minutes of your time to get these amazing results that you'll see below. Below you'll see SEO listings for the most expensive suburbs in Brisbane, meaning people searching in these locations have the highest incomes and money to spend. Using these strategies, it's pretty easy to dominate entire regions or entire cities in just about any niche. That's the power of using automation by going wide, using scale, and not missing any of the related niches. It's important to note that all the AdWords advertisers are paying around $20 per click. Every click, it costs them $20. Our results, our listings are 100% free and organic and will be there forever, meaning you or your clients will never have to pay for advertising again. Here are the results which are in Google right now, and you can check. They will be better by the time you get to see them, as over time they rank even stronger, not weaker in our experience. So SEO Services Mitchelton, number 2. SEO Cooper Plains, number 4. They get better as we progress. SEO Carrara Downs, number 4, 5 and 6. People paying $17.90 for these AdWords listings. SEO Services Boondall, number 3. SEO Services Everton Hill, number 2. SEO Services Mitchelton, number 2. Best SEO Boondall, number 1. Best SEO Brookwater, number 1. Best SEO Cannon Hill, number 1. And these just go on and on. I'll just go through them quickly. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Best SEO Consultant Cooper Plains, number 1. SEO Consultant Carrara Downs, number 1. And the list just goes on. And it only takes minutes to set up these projects, and once you've set the project up, you can repeat it as many times as you like and take more and more spots on the first page of Google, pushing your competition over onto the second page. So now let's check out the software. WP Blog Creator. This is another incredibly simple software to use, though it is scalable, to infinity. You can create an unlimited amount of WordPress blogs or WordPress posts on WordPress blogs easily using the software. Down the side you can see you enter the main keyword, your list of keywords, article content, creation options, YouTube videos, Google Maps, and site options. So let's get into it. I will load an existing project and run through the steps. And what's important to note, all the data you enter into this software is stored in the cloud, so you can operate it on one computer, open it on another computer using your same account, and all the data will still be in there. So this is where you enter your main keyword. This is the blog title, and you can use the keyword token if you choose. We have the option to edit the HTML template, so you can create your own customizable template for WordPress, though typically we leave the default one, as I always do. And here we have this incredibly cool feature where you can load up an existing project and just run it again, which is what I do all the time. As I always say, if in doubt, create more, because we provide the software that makes it so easy to produce them. Create as many as you can. So I'll just do repeat project, click next. This is where you enter your keywords. So as you can see, I've got the keyword phrase I'm targeting here is best SEO. Then I put the suburbs down here. The next keyword phrase is SEO services. The next keyword phrase is SEO consultant. So they're the three keywords I'm targeting, and these are all the locations that I'm targeting. These keywords that I'm targeting are in Brisbane, and I searched in Google for most popular suburbs in Brisbane, and that brought up a real estate listing of the highest paid suburbs in Brisbane. So they're the ones I chose. These suburbs have the most money to spend, and that's why I'm targeting them. So click next. This is where you put your article content, and for 100% of my testing across all my softwares, I've used article content scraped directly from Google. So you grab, with the WordPress software, you need a minimum of 500 word article, and that gives you the perfect keyword density on your blogs. Anything less gives you too high a keyword density, so it's 500 word article or less. Paste it in here. Put the words you don't want spun in this section here, click on make spin tags, and it will spin this perfectly, and you can create an unlimited amount of blogs using that one article. But of course, using original article content is better. I use scrape content to show that it works that way, which is the fastest way to do it. Then you click on test spin tags. It shows you your article, that gives you a character count, and you can see the difference each time you recheck it. So click next. Here we have an option to create one post per keyword phrase, or to create one blog per keyword phrase, and it will create the blog and then create one post using that keyword, which means you'll have a dedicated blog to that individual keyword. I mix it up, but generally I choose create posts and click next. Here is where you select your image folder. The software, if you have one image, it will use that image for each blog post it creates. If you have multiple images, it will select one randomly each time it creates a blog post. So that's the article content, the image content that I use. It remembers it from last time. We place a Google map on each post created in WordPress, and that, for this example, I put Brisbane, Australia. If you're promoting a local business, you can put their exact address in there, and then it will come up on each blog post created. It also puts an embed of a YouTube video in each WordPress post created. If you put multiple YouTube links like I have here, it will choose one randomly. If you want the same one in each blog post created, just put one YouTube link there in the same format that we have here. And then that's pretty much it. You click on start work, and then what it does, it opens a preview window, and for WordPress you need to create an account on WordPress, and you need an email address. So we have solved that by, I'll show you. So you click on Start, opens a preview window. There's a preview window, and you will see it will create an account on WordPress, and then it will go to an email provider, create an account on there. WordPress will send the confirmation email to this email provider. The software will confirm that for you, and boom, you have a new WordPress account, an email account. All that information is provided to you in the PDF that is displayed at the end of the project. So we've created the email address. So there are 6 steps, and the software handles all of them for you. What your site is about, and that will be the main keyword phrase. The software randomly chooses a theme. The software enters the email address it just created. So it's entering the email address, username and password for you. Now it uses your keyword phrase as the subdomain in the WordPress URL. If it's already taken, it will add 3 random characters to the end. So there you go, site created. It will now start creating posts for each of those keyword phrases that were in the list. It's now confirming the email from WordPress. All done. Please click on the button to confirm your email address and activate your account. It will click on that and go straight back to WordPress. Here we go. So now the software will continue to create unique posts, SEO optimized for each individual keyword phrase that you have added into the software. And of course you don't have to sit here watching it like I am. You just click start, shrink it all down, come back once the PDF pops up at the end. But it is also very cool sitting here watching it do it all by itself. One of our SEO strategies, of course, is to change the category name from uncategorized to your keyword phrase. It's now getting the Google Maps information. So now it's got all the content it needs to create the first blog post. That is article content, keywords, YouTube URLs, Google Map information. First of all, it will upload an image from your hard drive to WordPress. And that's what your that's what your blog post looks like. Now it's chosen another image randomly from your hard drive to create the next blog post. It's added the tags down below. So the software will continue to do that. I'll pause now and I'll come back and you'll see another cool feature we've added in this software, where the software will now ping each of those links created plus the RSS feed to a bulk ping site to help get your new WordPress site and posts indexed as fast as possible. And so there you go. It's produced this beautiful PDF document with your main RSS, your main WordPress domain, your RSS feed, your sitemap links, and then it pops up this little button. Would you like to ping all these URLs? And I think I do. So I'll click on yes, which brings up a new browser window. There it is. And it will automatically ping each of those individual URLs to help get them indexed fast. Though if you would like to get them indexed immediately, we've got a really cool trick which is in the strategy supplied with this software. Well, actually you can go to petestrafficsuite.com, just search up Google index trick and you'll find it straight away. A beautiful video tutorial that shows you how to get these in Google in literally seconds. And then once they're indexed, you'll see, and then once they're indexed, it's highly likely that they will be ranking pretty much immediately. Extremely cool. Now that will continue and ping each of those URLs supplied in the PDF until it's completed. So you leave that window open, and for your convenience we've put the Google links here. So these keyword phrases here are hyperlinked. So if you click on one of them, it brings up your browser window. And since this is a repeat project, you'll probably find it's already indexed and ranking. Best SEO Carrara Downs. Yep, there it is. That was from the project I did previously. And if you click on Best SEO Everton Hills, it should be there too. There it is, number one and number 2. Very cool. Now, as you'll see, the keyword phrase we were going for was Best SEO Carrara Downs, which is one of the most expensive suburbs in Brisbane, but I'll just see if we're ranking for the top level term, which is SEO Carrara Downs. Yep, there you go, number 2. What's important to know is with the SEO optimization we've done with all of these WordPress posts, each individual post can rank for many different terms. As I've showed previously in my videos on my forum, often these posts will rank for 3, 4 or 5 different terms. And with this example, I think we just created over 30 individual posts, so we're going to be posting for up to 150 different terms from that one project you saw created right in front of your eyes. Okay, let's just check one more. Best SEO Brookwater. Was that one I already did? I don't know. But it's number 1, number 2. And you can, as I was saying before, these pages rank for different terms because particularly the way we've set up the tag structure and category structure. This one is created for Best SEO Carlstone, but it's coming up for Brookwater. And one more, Cooper's Plains. There you go. One for Brookwater is coming up for Cooper's Plains, ranked number 1, 2, 3, 4. So very, very cool. All from one simple amount of effort. I put in, it takes 2 minutes to set up a project, click start, walk away, and you can expect to get results exactly like